So here, look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. It says from some part means, for example, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 2, 2k plus 3, 2k plus 4, and so on. 2, for example, 2m plus 1, 2m plus 2, and 4950, right? For example, it means that we remove these pages, okay? So let's do something to make it better. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one, and let's make them a bit smaller. So we have dot 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 2k minus 1 and 2k. We have these pages and 2m plus 3 and 2m plus 4, right? Okay. So the average of this part and this part, why I wrote this one is have this. So this one is okay. The average is, so how many pages do we have here? 2k plus 1, 2k plus 3 to 2m plus 1. You can say 2m plus 1 minus 2k plus 1 over 2 plus 1. So it will be m minus k plus 1, right? We remove this number of pages. And
But why doesn't it start from 2m plus 2?
what's your question? Can you say it again?
But why doesn't it start from 2m plus 2?
I said, look, do you agree that each page starts with an odd number and ends in an even number?
Yeah.
Page 1, 1, 2. It's sheet 1, page 1, page 2. And like this. So it says some consecutive numbers here. Okay. So your problem is exactly what? I said, okay, k is a general number. From this part to m, we remove them. K and m are an arbitrary integers from 1 to, from 0 to the last. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, but one thing, it says how many sheets were borrowed. Because it says these, so let's do something. Instead of m, I want that this one be variable. It's better that the thing that the problem wants be a single variable. But here, you should find m minus k plus 1, right? So I decide to do what? If I want to remove, I decide to remove 2k plus 1, 2k plus 3, for example, 2k plus, let's consider m as, let's remove this. So 2k plus 2m plus 1, 2k plus 2m plus 2. Suppose these pages, these sheets are the sheets that we remove, okay? Now it will be what? How many pages do we have then? 2m and m. Can you tell me how many pages do we have here? It is our first page, second page that we remove, and it is which page?
Wait, how many pages is sheet?
In terms of m and k, you can say.
Wait, but I don't have a k. I just have m plus 1.
How many pages do we have here? First page, second page, and this page is what? Which page?
I said we have like m
Oh, you
plus
said it is
1
m
sheet.
plus 1, right?
Yeah.
Exactly, because it is 2 times m, it is 2 times 0. So, because I want to reach m, so I say 2m minus 1 and 2m. So if I write 2m minus 1, it would be mth page, right?
Oh,
Right?
yeah, yeah.
Then we should find m, right? And the problem wants m. I try to define variables such that to have one variable m. So in previous case, we should find m minus k, and then when we have m minus k, maybe we cannot find m and k separately. Okay? And then the problem would be hard to focus on finding m minus k, difference of the. But here, we know that we have to find m. Okay, so it says uh, the average is 19. The average is what? Sum over. Uh, can you tell me number of pages that are left? Number of pages that are left, not sheets. Number of pages that are left is what? We said we remove m sheets. So how many pages do we remove?
Um, plus 2m plus 2.
We have m
Wait, no,
sheets,
no, 2m.
2m, good job, 2m pages. So when we want to calculate average of other pages, so the denominator is what? How many pages are left?
50 minus 2m.
Good job, 50 minus 2. So look, I've not used any idea or any formula so far. I just want to write it in mathematics, right? Okay, so some of the other terms, one way to use, we can use complement rule. One way is to use this one plus this one. You can use both of them. I prefer to use complement rule. I said 25 times 51. It is 1 to 50, right? Minus this summation. This summation, they are consecutive numbers. So can you tell me the summation? We should write what? First one plus last one, right? First one plus last one times number of them means last one minus first one plus 1 because the common difference is 1. You don't need to divide by anything. And at the end, we divide it by what?
2.
Exactly. We divide it by 2. And it is equal to what? From the assumption of the problem, it should be equal to what?
Oh, 19.
19. Let me just check. First one plus last. First one plus 1. Okay. Now we should cross multiply, simplify, and try to find m. Want to try the rest on your own?
Yeah.
Okay, sure, try.
Is it 13?
The answer is 13. Okay, let's check.
Yeah.
Mm, okay, 25 times 51. We can multiply this one by 2, this one by 2. Let me think. No, no, no. We don't need to divide. It is minus 2m plus 4k plus 1. 2k, 2k will cancel each other out. Which is equal to 19 times this, right? Then we try to factorize. If we take this one to this side, 19 times 50 is greater, or this one, if we multiply it by 2, this one is greater. Okay, so 25 times 51, 90 times 50 is equal to m times 2m plus 4k plus 1 plus 38 minus 38. So here 25 times 51 minus 38 is equal to m times 2m plus 4k minus 37, right? 51 minus 38 is what?
13.
Is 30. So 25 times 13 is equal to m times 2m plus 4k minus 37. So we should consider cases, right? So let's see. Let's consider this part that we said we have m pages, 2m pages, and what happened for this part. Let's see. And let's consider this side. Okay. Because we have 2m pages, so m can be 1 or 5, right? Or 13 or 25. It cannot be greater than 25, right?
Yeah.
But 25 also is not possible because the rest over 0, the average is undefined, right? Because look, if m is 25, then we have 50 pages. It says remove them, the average of the rest is something, 19. But if all pages are here, the rest is 0. So we have 0 pages. So you should divide by 0 for the average, and it's undefined, right? Okay, so we need to only calculate these 3 cases. If it is 1, it is 25 times 13. If it is 5, it is 5 times 13. If it is 13, it is 25. Okay, for the first case, okay, it is 25. It is 65. This one is 5 times 65. Is 5 times 5, 25, 2, 5 times 6, 30, plus 2, 3, 2. Okay. So we want to find k for each of them for this one. 2 times m is 2. 2 minus 37 is minus 35. So 4k is 35 plus this. 35 plus this is 360. So k is 90. But it's not possible, right? Because 2k plus 1 then would be 190 something, right? In this case, 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 37 is minus 27. Then if you take it to right hand side, 27. 27 plus 65, 85, 92. So 4k is 92. And k would be what is 223. 2 times 23, okay, so we should check. Last one, 2k plus 2m. In this case, 2k plus 2m is 46 plus 2 times m, 10 is 56. But we don't have this page, right? Okay, and last part, m is 13. So 4k is 2 times 13 is 26. 26 minus 37 is minus 11. Plus 11 plus 25, 36, okay, is 9, right? And if you want to find the pages, 2k plus 1 is what? 18 plus 1, 19, 20, and 21, 22 is first page, second page, and 13th page. 2k plus 2m, which is m is 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 times 2, 44. 44, 43, and 44, right? And we don't have any contradiction. Also, we can check. Because it is our only answer, it will be correct. So it says what? M is what? M is 30. Good job. And if you want to check to make sure, we should prove that the average of 1 to 18 and then 46, 45 to 50 is 19. So how many numbers do we have here? 18 numbers. And here 50 minus 44 is 6, right? So over 24. And 1 to 18 is what? Is 18 times 19 over 2 plus 45 plus 15, 95 times how many numbers are there? 6 over 2 over 24. We should reach 19 at the end. It is 9. This one is 3. So the 15 is now 5 times 19. So if you factor from 19, it would be 9 plus 5 times 3, 15 over 24, and we can cancel. So it's 9, right? Okay. It was problem 22. What's your next question? And good job. Look, the only thing I did here was only translate it to a mathematics equation. I can say 20% was this, and you could solve 80% was solving this part. Why you couldn't solve? You didn't write it in mathematics equation?
No, like my mathematics equation, like mine was like kind of different. Like there were like a lot of variables. It was
Uh-huh,
like
uh-huh.
not
You
what
did
I
you
thought it
had
would
more
be.
than two variables, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yes, try to use variables as less as you can. Okay. Okay, well, good job. You could reach 30. What's your next question?